Many years ago, I believe it was 1982, the California legislature found that elderly people and dependent adults were at significant increased risk for being abused. It was obvious at the time, of course, but the legislature found that it was such a problem that they passed an act, and that is now in the Welfare and Institutions Code. And this statutory scheme established by the legislature says, in essence, that if these wrongful acts happen to the elderly or dependent adults, the legislature is going to enhance the available remedies. And the reason they did that is because before they enhanced the remedies, these were relatively small cases. The remedies that were available to elderly people and dependent adults were on the small end of the spectrum, and these folks cannot hire lawyers. The potential recovery for contingent fee lawyers was small. So the legislature said, let's enhance the remedy. And the big ticket items there are, if you can prove the claim under the act, your attorney will get attorney's fees and costs. And in a wrongful death case, the pain and suffering of the decedent becomes part of the recoverable claim. Before that, any pain and suffering that an elderly person suffered at the hand of an abusing healthcare provider went to the grave with them. But because that's now part of the case, that is an attractive item to attorneys, and attorneys now take these claims. So if you have a situation where someone you know, a loved one, a family member has been abused, they're elderly or they're disabled and a dependent person, check it out and see if they have a remedy. The law is there to protect you, to protect them, so find out if they have a viable claim.